We have tools that allow to insert text and images. The text tool has two options: horizontal and vertical text. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a text area. Here you can pull up the keyboard to type your text, adjust the text size, spacing between letters, spacing between lines, copy it, paste, and delete. Creating a text area automatically pulls up the Properties tab on the right. You can open it manually for any shape, usually to adjust properties like position on the canvas and proportions, as well as object-specific properties. In this case, text has properties like font, size, styling. You can choose your text container to be content sensitive or limit what's displayed to the size of the text box. We also have such properties as fill and stroke, which are always available as a separate tool in the Tools panel on the left. You can adjust the color of fill and stroke using the color wheel, and once you add stroke, you can adjust its thickness and width profile, as well as styling of the angles and end caps. The last tool is placing an image. You can pull it up from your gallery, files, cloud, or even take one with your camera. In the next lesson, we will go over some tabs and tools on the right side of the screen.